Facebook ads will kill your business, and here is why. With almost 5 billion daily users across all of the Meta product, there's never been a better opportunity to advertise your small business on Meta. However, if you don't know what the fundamentals are, what you need to get right, it will most likely kill your business. I've been in the industry long enough to see not just businesses do incredibly well with Facebook ads, but unfortunately also crash and burn down, okay? So what I need you guys to understand that there are these few fundamentals inside Facebook ads that you literally got to get right to start making money with it. So first of all, I just want to make it clear, Facebook ads are working amazingly. There was the golden time in e-commerce, those of you who guys have been around 2019, 2018, even 2020, amazing years inside e-commerce. Facebook ads were working wonders, but then 2021 and 2022 were terrible, just literally terrible. Now, they have fixed up the algorithm and is once again working wonders. But what you've got to understand, first of all, is who is your ideal customer, okay? Why am I saying this? This sounds so basic. But unless you know who is your ideal customer, Facebook will not be able to work this out for you, and you'll be literally just wasting your money on Meta ads. I've seen huge number of business owners who have been boosting posts and paying for ads and have literally been getting nothing in return, like literally nada, and purely because they just did not know who their ideal customer is, okay? So you've got to be really clear on niching down. Do not ever say my ideal customer is between 18 and 65 because that is just not going to work. You can have that inside the settings inside your Facebook ads, but you've got to be clear on who that creative is speaking to. Because in the past, the creative, the video or the image was only like 20% of the work. The 80% were the settings and the placements. Now it literally has completely turned around. So like over 90% is in the creative. Your image, your video, who is it speaking to? Who is that ideal customer who you want to buy your product over and over and over and over? If you're clear on that, Facebook ads will be literally making millions for you if you know how to do that, okay? So first of all, create a bunch of creatives. Ideally, you want to have at least 5 variations of different types of creatives speaking to that one ideal customer, okay? That's the first thing you gotta get right. Second, you want to make sure that you give that algorithm plenty of space to breathe. If you want to make a lot of money through Facebook ads, then I suggest do not narrow down your ad sets. Keep the audience very, very broad. This is completely different to what it used to be in the past. In the past, we used to always keep the audiences narrow, but that has all changed. Now the algorithm needs a lot of space to breathe. That's why you've got to be clear on your customer, and that algorithm will be cutting through, will be finding different samples, and will find the customer that your creative is cutting through. Now, some of you are like, oh, but I'm not a creative person. How am I going to do that if the creative is so important? How am I going to create this? Guys, do not worry. There are 2 simple tools that can help you with that. First of all, you're going to go to ChatGPT, and inside ChatGPT, you will say, hey, I'm selling these kind of products like home decor, sustainable fashion, whatever that is. Give me a description of who is my ideal customer, their pains, their dreams, their desires. You want all of these details. So that will be the first thing that you want to do. And second thing, you will then go inside Canva, and inside Canva, you will essentially create a little video using the Canva tools with the images or the footage of your products. You just import that into Canva. Even if you don't have any footage, you just have images, Canva can still create a little video for you. So with those tools, with those 2 tools, your Facebook ads can literally start making you millions of dollars. But first, you've got to get the fundamentals right. So guys, with that said, do comment below. Let me know what else would you want to know about Facebook ads or any other topic inside digital marketing, because I want to know how can we best support you. And with that said, I'll see you inside the comments.